Hello, I'm Ethan Fraley. I am right here in front of our brand new listing, 11168 Southwest Berlin in Wilsonville, and we're going to take a peek inside. Okay, walking in, we are immediately greeted with this beautiful staircase and super bright open little foyer here. We've got a couple of doors and options here. First one being the garage. We have a closet and then a full suite down here. They're using it obviously for a business, but this is the ground level. Put my back to the window here so you can see how much light comes in. Really spacious, as you see. There's the bathroom, closet area. Peek into the bathroom here. It is full-size bathroom. Like I said, it is an ensuite. I've seen this used a variety of ways. This one I think is a really cool way. And then just really quickly peek out the window, I can show you that courtyard. It's right there. That really nice little water area. Okay, let's take a peek upstairs. You know what? Before we go upstairs, I'm gonna open this garage door here. There's the front door. So it is a single car garage. It is wide enough though to obviously be able to put stuff in here. All right, now let's venture upstairs. Lots of light coming in because it is an end unit. Can I show you how much light comes in? But beautiful day out today too. And once you get up here, followed by the light, nice hard surfaces, really big countertop right in the middle here. Maybe dining over there, living over here to the right, gas fireplace. Patio above your parking area. You do have a parking pad. This is your living room, family room. I love the way that they've decorated here. Have a really nice buffet for coffee. Slab countertops, big enough to dance on. Let me show you this view. Beautiful view, tons of light coming in. And let's keep going up. So off the main floor, slightly up, you have a powder room, half bathroom, with more light coming in because it's got its own window there. Then you can turn and go up the stairs even further. So on the top floor here, you will find 2 bedrooms and a bonus area. So in total you have 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. So here's what I would call the actual master here. It does have the view of the back area. So fairly private here. And here's your master bath back there, closet. I like the high vanity, 2 sinks. And you have the walk-in shower. Here you have laundry closet in the hallway. Last bathroom, which is pretty much dedicated to this room right here. Go in quickly here. It's a good size, big enough for a child's bed and a crib. Look at this view too. Beautiful. Beautiful and quiet. There's once again is that courtyard. down there. Okay. My favorite part up here is the bonus room. I don't know why. Just that, so bright, really nicely usable space. Once again, just lots of awesome views. And even has a little peek over to the staircase there. One peek out here. So there it is, 11168 Southwest Berlin in Wilsonville. We're in the Villebois neighborhood. This does come with some really cool things with the HOA, so make sure you contact me and I'll get you all the information on that. And if you are looking for a private tour or just another walkthrough, I can do one of these again as well. Thank you again so much for watching my video. I'm Ethan Frelly from Beltran Properties Group. I'm the lead buyer's agent for the team, and the new home right here is 11168 Southwest Berlin Avenue in Wilsonville. Please click the links for more pictures and also for the price. Thank you so much, and like and share my videos. Thanks, bye.